how hackers hack your Facebook account and how to recover it. So if you want to know how hackers hack your Facebook account and if you want to recover it, then just watch this video. First, let me tell you that hackers create malicious Facebook page. They create fake Facebook login pages, which look exactly same like a Facebook creating page or a login page, in which you will enter your email address and your password thinking that you want to log into your Facebook account. Now, they just don't create this page. They copy the link to this page and they give it to you. This form is linked directly to their database, and whatever information that you insert here is going to show up in their database. So when you try logging into your Facebook account and you find the next page coming like an ad, then you should know that it is a scammer and that the person is about to hack your Facebook account. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and change your Facebook password. And make sure that the email address which you have provided, the password that you used for your Facebook account, is not the same as the password for the email address. If it's something that is the same, then you want to go ahead and change the password for that email as well. And do this as fast as possible. Now, how do they log you into putting your information? Right here. They're going to create this form, they're going to copy the link to this form, and they will paste onto your messenger or something like that. And when you click on that link, then it will take you to the original Facebook login page, which looks like this. You'll have the Meta logo or the Facebook logo, all of this on your normal Facebook login page. And make sure to check the URL which you are visiting. It should be if you're using your browser, it should be m.facebook.com, something like that. It should be the official URL. If the URL does not say facebook.com, then you are not safe. And do not put login information on that other website. Now that your account is already hacked, what you need to do is visit the URL facebook.com hacked, or just go with facebook.com/hacked. Tap on recover a hacked Facebook account. Go with the first section. Go with www.facebook.com/hacked. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you want to just simply go with next, and it will guide you to the next step. Now you want to put your phone number or your mobile number for your account which has been hacked, and go with continue. If you do not remember your mobile number, then you can use your email address as well. You need to enter your email address and then go with continue. Once you do that, you will have the account that has been hacked. You need to just simply go with recover, which will be on the bottom, and your account will be recovered. After that, once it has been recovered, you need to change your Facebook login password immediately, and with that you will be able to recover your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.